space for the correct picture. To write whether a segment said if a line having a definite starting point and a definite end point. A definite end point. Call that line segment. Call that line a line segment. Which means it has a definite starting point, there's a definite end point. So that line is called the line segment. Although on the diagram they do not put the dots, but you must know that AB, it's a line segment, even if they do not include the dots. B is a line segment. There's a definite starting point and a definite end point. The line segment. A line CD is not a line segment, it's a ray, while it has a definite starting point, and the arrow indicates that no definite end point. The arrow is telling you that no definite end point. We call it a ray. So AB is a line segment. You must know that AB, so that one line segment. Line segment. Then CD, it's a ray because we explained it. The ray there's a definite starting point. You know where it's starting from, but where it's ending, we don't know. That's why it's ending with an arrow. Whenever you see an arrow, you don't know where it's ending with an arrow there. So definitely you know that that's a ray. That's a ray. So that one we call it a ray. Then a straight line. A straight line is whereby it has no definite starting point and no definite end point. So this we call it a straight line. So that is a straight line. If it's having arrows both sides, we call it a straight line. So that is what we call a straight line. So this is called a straight line. Called a straight line. Okay. So no definite starting point, no definite end point indicated by the arrows. Okay. Then we are coming to the issue of perpendicular. So there is a geometric relationship between the line segments PR and QS as shown in the diagram. Describe the relationship. So what they want you to describe the PR is perpendicular to what? Because of the 90 degrees. So we are supposed to write PR, that is the relationship, is perpendicular to QS. Why perpendicular? Because this is 90 degrees. We call that 90 degrees. Okay. So that is the relationship. So the relationship is that PR is perpendicular to US. If the full name of the shape that fits the given description. So we are having a three-sided shape that is exactly two equal sides in length. So if it's a three-sided shape, which means we are talking of tri. Two sides equal means this side is equal to that side. So that shape, obviously, we are going to call it called an isosceles, which means an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So we are going to write it where it's supposed to be. So you write isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides equal. Then we are having a four-sided shape with both sides, with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. They are parallel and equal length with no right angle, which means if it's having no right angle, we are excluding square, we are excluding a square, we are excluding a rectangle because the right angle. So the four-sided shape, both pairs of opposite sides parallel and equal in length, which means we are talking of a parallelogram. The shape which is like this. The parallelogram. We are talking of a parallelogram, which means both sides are parallel, that one, parallel to that one. And the other pair, they are parallel. And then they are talking of equal, opposite sides parallel and equal in length. What is it that they mean? They mean the opposite sides are equal, meaning this side equals to that side. And also, the other side is equals to this one. So definitely that shape there which they are talking about is a parallelogram. We are going to write the name of that shape, but it's a parallelogram. Okay. Then we go to the next one, whereby we are given that case, say whether the two sides are opposite or adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. So sides are said to be adjacent if they share the common vertex. So we are supposed to state whether it's adjacent or opposite. So let's go to diagram. We check for GD and DE. GD and DE. So these sides, they are sharing the same corner. GD and DE, they are sharing the same vertex. So these two sides, if they share a vertex, which is a corner, whenever they are sharing a vertex or a corner, we call those angles adjacent, which means they are next to each other because they are sharing that corner D. So those two sides are adjacent. They are next to each other. They share a corner. So we call them adjacent. Adjacent side. Okay. And then DE and GF. So now we want to check DE and GF. So if you are given DE and GF, you can see that they are not sharing any corner, any common vertex or corner. They do not share a corner. That is GF. This is DE. They are not sharing any vertex or corner, which means those two sides are opposite. That is how you check if the sides are opposite or adjacent. So in this case, the sides are opposite. Sides are opposite. Right. And then use what we know about the sides and angles of quadrilaterals to answer the questions. Right? So we are given, if you are given that symbol which is there, it implies that that side, one bar there, one bar, it means they are the same. So also here 16 centimeters. Two bars, which means there is also 35 centimeters. So you must know that. And what we know about a kite, this is the symmetry line. And angles opposite the symmetry line, which means this side and that side, they're equal. So the angles opposite the symmetry line are equal. And all angles, they must add up to 360 degrees. So let's answer the question. What type of quadrilateral is F? So that one is a kite. No, it's a kite. Okay. What is the length of EF? So we go to the diagram, check EF. EF, we check where there is EF. So you must be able to identify which side they are talking about. EF, so that is the side. We're talking of that side, EF. EF, which is 35 centimeters. So EF is 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters. So EF is 35 centimeters. Okay. Then we go to the length of GH. GH. So we are looking at that side. The length of GH. GH. GH is 16 centimeters. So we label it the length in centimeters. Okay. So we are here. Look at the following figures and answer the questions below. Okay. So which group has a pair of similar 2D shapes? So here we want the shapes that are similar, which means not exactly, yeah, not exactly same, not exactly same, but are similar. So which group is a pair of similar? So here we're given angles. It was stated already that this angle and that angle, they are the same. And also this angle and this angle, they are the same. So we know these angles are the same. And that angle and this one are the same. So those angles, triangles, are similar because the interior angles are same. So we are going to have B. Okay. Which group has a pair of congruent 2D shapes? Which means they're exactly the same. So there we can see that these ones are right angles as well in terms of C. E and C similar. E and C. D and C. Let's continue. So which group has a pair of congruent 2D shapes which are exactly the same, which means it's A. The shapes are the same. A congruent means same size and shape. Then for group B, they are similar shape but different size. So we must know those congruence, similarity. Congruence, we are talking of same shape, same size. Similarity, we are talking of same shape but different size. Same shape but different. So for these ones, we are talking of congruent. Then these ones are similar. Also, the rectangles are also similar, different sizes. Yeah. Then let's go to number 1.7. So the polygons are similar. Determine the sizes of the following. Okay. So we want the size of Z, size of angle C, size of angle C. So we've been told that the angles are similar. we want to find the size of angle C. So which means these two angles are the same, since the shapes are similar. Also, this side and that side is similar, they are similar. So which means that angle C is equals to 40 degrees. C is equal to 40 degrees. So C equals to 40 degrees. Then B, want the length B. So first we check the ratio. So we are going to use the ratio in order for us to solve that. So we are going to say the ratio is that we start with the side. We say 10 over 8. It's 10 over 8 is equals to B over 4. To B over 4. The order it matters. So we started with this side. Must also start with this side over that side.